Hello my dear YouTube friends, we're heading towards 2019 and I want to take this moment to thank you for everybody who subscribed to my channel and watch my videos. It means a lot to me. I saw I'm almost hitting 5,000 subscribers now, and in YouTube numbers it might not be much, but to me it means a lot. So I'm very thankful for that. Let's celebrate. But I need champagne to celebrate and I don't have champagne. Then let's make it ourselves. Okay, so this is the party table. We need a whipped cream maker with CO2 patterns. Make sure it's CO2 for soda and not the one for whipped cream or the party balloons or whatever. Then we need a very cold bottle of wine, just any white wine, cheap one, it's okay. And of course glass. And because we are Netherlands, we need some Dutch donut balls, that's tradition here on New Year's Eve, and some fireworks. Okay, let's start. To start, we pour in wine into the whipped cream maker. Then we get 2 of those capsules. Shake it. Okay, test glass. Well, it's not bad for homemade champagne or bubbles or whatever. So it works, but my friends from France would not like this. I don't mind. My resolution for the new year is to make many more random videos I have in mind. I hope you will come back to my channel. Thank you very much and I wish you all the best. Cheers!